Hello guys, welcome to Java tutorial. Today's topic is string. String is a sequence of characters and enclosed with double quotes. It is not a primitive data type. String is a class and present in java.lang package. Strings are immutable. Once created, they cannot be changed. If you try to modify, it creates new object. Strings are created two ways, using string literals and new keyword. String literals storing into string constant pool. If you use new keyword, the string object storing into heap. Here example, string is equal to sequence of characters and enclosed with double quotes. Something random characters. String is a class and present in java.lang package. Java.lang package. And this is the string literals. And one more is using new keyword we can create string. This object store in string constant pool. This object storing in heap because new keyword. The string constant pool present in heap only. Suppose this is heap. SCP present in part of heap. ABC. We are creating one more. I equal to ABC. These both are string literals. In previous, just I told SCP. This is pointing to ABC. S pointing to ABC. And I also pointing to same object because the both strings are same. Here. S equal I and one more S equal I. Here double equal, it used to the reference are same, return true, otherwise false. A dot equal method, content same, return true, otherwise false. Yeah, true. Run the application. Here true. The content same. Here ABC. So it return true. And here reference are same. The both reference pointing to same object. So that's why it's true. If I enter ABC here, system out, there S equal double S. Dot equal SS. Now run the application. Here observe that here first true and true. Here both are true. Here S ABC. Here double S is ABC. But the both reference are not pointing to same object. But the content same. ABC here ABC. That's why it's true. But reference are different. This ABC stored in heap. This is heap ABC here. SS pointing to ABC. And this reference present in stock SS, S and I. It contains memory location. The memory address is this object. Object location. And this is stock. The reference and variables store in stock. Objects are stored in heap. If it is string literals, it's storing in string constant pool. And string constant pool reusable. If same content, it reusable. Here not create one more. But if using new keyword, it create new object. String SS2 new string ABC. SS2 and here SS2. First two true, these two are true, these two are true, and next false. The reference pointing to not same object but content same. Here both content same but pointing to different objects. Here one more is SS2 pointing to one more object. It create one more object in heap. But in string constant pool, the content same, it pointing to same object. That is the difference between using string literals and new keyword. Suppose using new keyword, here content is different. DEF and the DEF object storing in heap. DEF storing in heap. The DEF not present in constant pool. So it create DEF in string constant pool. J equal to mu string DEF. DEF and string JJ here DEF and sys out. Now J equal JJ and sys out J dot equal JJ. Now run the application. Yeah, first one false, second true. The reference pointing to different objects and content is same. Here first here DEF created and storing in heap, and the DEF not present in string constant pool, so it created DEF. And next in string literals, but the DEF already present in string constant pool, so the JJ pointing to this object. Now this J pointing to this def and the JJ pointing to this DEF. The both are pointing to different object. So here we got first one false, and the content is same, so second is true. In string class contain lot of methods. Out. One of the methods is string length. Here is equal to le length, return numeric value, and here 1 2 3 return 3, and one more, I want to extract one specific character from this s, so use character method s dot character method this method, and pass the index value, second index, return second index value. Second index values start from 0 index. This is 0 and 1 and C is 2. Run the application. Yeah, first length of string and index 2 character is C, and next check that the string is empty or not. Out S is empty. Return row if S is empty, but here not empty, so it return false. If we remove that ABC, return empty. It return true. We got exception, string index out of bounds exception, index 2 out of bounds for length 0. S reference contain 0 length, there is no characters, so we can't access index 2. So comment, run the application. Yeah, 0 length and empty, return true. Case ignore method. If ABC, they both are same, so it pointing to same object. If different, here capital A, S dot equal I, and in one more, yes, case ignore method. Equal ignore case. Yes, I. Yeah, first one false because the both are not equal. Here capital A, here small a, both are different. So the objects are creating different in string. So in string constant pool, create ABC and one more ABC. This S pointing to this object and I up pointing to this object. The content are not same. If we ignore the case, the both are same. Is small a, it capital A. And one more, and content. And we check that substring present in or not. In this out, there is contents, the S content B, return true, otherwise false. And one more, and find the index. We pass the string S dot index of here, index of it return index value. Here B, here pass the string. Suppose it contain one more B, but it return first index value. And one more, last index value. It return index and run the application. Here, so it return true, and the B index of it return index position. It return first occurrence position, and this method last index of method last occurrence index position, third position. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, and next and start with and end with. Yes, start with here. Start with it return boolean value capital A. It return true, and end with B. It return true, otherwise false. If I enter N, here A start with A only. Here A start with A only. We can pass the substring. We can pass B also. We can single character also. We can pass the single character or group of characters. Yes, here B. If end with M, it return true, otherwise false. Here first one true, second one false. First AB, start with AB only. Here AB, but end with B. But here mention that M, so it false. In string class contain lot of methods, and practice and compare to case ignore, concat, and contains, and index of char is blank, empty, last index, and match, and replace all, stripe, and to char array. It return char array. Char string to char array equal to 0. C length. This reference is string. We put that brackets. This is array. No need brackets. Yes, I already mentioned. Sysout C. Run the application. A, B, C. For now, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.